Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin has crossed again the 12K line. Yesterday's title of the video was Bitcoin will cross 12K soon. And well, it happened today morning. And actually, it went quite well above it, and now it's still staying above it, which is great. So we have to discuss that. And the second news, it's going to be about another company which actually invests 10% from its cash reserves in the Bitcoin. So another company who joins the game, and another one who believes in the Bitcoin so strongly that to invest 10%, I think this is a significant number. And the third news is going to be about the NFTs, because NFTs are growing now dramatically. I will show you what kind of things you can buy, where you can buy it, and all these things, because NFT market can be the new hype, to be honest with you. Okay, so all this in today's video, and if you would like to stay up to date in blockchain and cryptocurrency, the only thing you have to do really to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and hit the notification bell so you get these videos immediately when they're out, because then you can really stay with us up to date, because I'm putting these videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day, you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. You can also educate yourself with us. We have a totally free course. The link is right under this video, which is all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Or we have another great course, which is all about to understand Bitcoin and blockchain to get the full picture. Both links are under this video. And now it's time to check out the market. Okay, so as I said, Bitcoin above $12,000. Right now, 12,188, which is a 3.79% increase. And then we have Ethereum also going up, $378, which is a 0.91% increase. When we check out the winners in the last 24 hours, we can see that Ampleforth is again above $1 with plus 15%. OKB, it's plus 8%, and Waves plus 8%. And when we check out the losers, we have NXM minus 9%, Celsius minus 8%, Zcash minus 8%, and so on and so forth. Right now, what we can see on the market, that the old coins, it's a typical day when Bitcoin is gaining, and the old coins actually now dropping, because everybody is focusing on Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure that many people now even selling old coins, even if they lose money on it, just get into Bitcoin, because now they say, whoa, maybe now will Bitcoin grow. And yes, let's discuss that. So here we can see the rocket, Bitcoin above 12,000 US dollar again. But to be honest with you, actually, it depends how it will work out, but it can be also dangerous. So if it's going too fast, then there will be no support behind this kind of parabolic growth. And this can cause problem. Then it can easily happen that Bitcoin will fall down. The ideal would be if now Bitcoin is just as it did so far, going up a little bit, going then sideways, maybe a little bit back, and then making the next move, and then making the next move. So step by step with support levels is much better than to have a parabolic run. But of course, nobody can predict the future, but this will be the great thing. And now when we check out the Bitcoin price, we can see that this here, it just touched it, on the yesterday at 9 o'clock. And then actually it crossed it right here. It was today morning, and then it's just going up, and now it's going sideways. So this is actually a good thing, going now sideways. It would be great to stay above 12,000. That would be crucial, I think. And just looking down to the 12,000 line, and then make another move. And somewhere around 13,800 is the next support level, which we should reach somehow. And if we cross that and stay above it, then it could be crazy. And in that case, it could be even possible for Bitcoin to make 20K in this year. But yeah, many things should really work out for that. It's a very interesting thing what you can do. Look, we can actually compare to these two periods. And what we can see here is, hang on, I can highlight a little bit. Okay, so you can see here this period, which is from kind of June 2014 and between October 2016. And when you look at this, and when you look at this, which is, by the way, from 2018, about the same time, so like May, June, until the 26th of October. Yeah, nice prediction. So it went a little bit to the future. But the point is that actually, when you look at this, and now I will zoom out a little bit, so now you can see what I'm talking about. So look at these two periods. They look a little bit, apart from this move here, a bit identical to each other. And what we can see between, it was this really nice parabolic run from 2016 up to 2017, end of 2017. And it would be interesting if we see a similar move, because so far so good. So far we're doing about the same, just on a higher level. And yes, this could be actually interesting. So actually I found this on Twitter, and this is a nice comparison here. I found it here from Flip with a nice Bitcoin. Okay. And another thing what we should discuss, that more and more people going into Bitcoin, and actually Bitcoin average transaction value increased 500% since July. And when you're looking at this, you can see that the average transaction value was sitting at approximately 25,000 US dollar per transaction 4 months ago. Okay, and but posted a yearly high on the 20th October when this transfer average was $151,000 per transfer. And this is actually, it's representing, as you can see here, look, this increase, 500% increase. And this is also very interesting. That means that nowadays more and more people believe we should invest in Bitcoin. And because of this huge average, we can see that actually people with a lot of money, companies with a lot of money, and all these guys getting into Bitcoin. And this is about the second news, which a UK-listed firm Mode putting up to 10% of cash reserves into Bitcoin. This is the title here. And we're talking about Mode Global Holdings PLC. You can see them here. They're on the London Stock Exchange. And according to the article, it will convert up to 10% of its cash reserve into cryptocurrencies as part of a long-term strategy to protect investors' assets from currency debasement. And they're saying that faced with the challenges of COVID and the UK interest rate at lowest level in Bank of England's 326-year history, they're saying our confidence in the long-term value of Bitcoin has only increased, said Jonathan Rowland, Mo's executive chairman. So they have also realized what's happening now with these interest rates, what's happening to cash, to fiat currency. And in long term, they don't see how their money will be saved, how they can save their investors. And putting actually their cash reserves 10% in cryptocurrency, this in the Bitcoin, this is actually a significant move for a company. we have seen, MicroStrategy putting $225,000. We have here is another example. Square, invested $50 million, but for Square, this was just like 1%. For them, it's like 10%. And I think we will see in the future higher and higher percentages investing in Bitcoin when Bitcoin is getting safer. And its market cap will gain too. Now we can see that even stock market is not doing so well. Stock market it's rather a bit going down or going sideways down. On the other hand, Bitcoin is now going up. And the reason for it is because the investors realize that they have to put somewhere the money. And if more and more people thinking in the same direction, which is in this case, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, this will definitely make the Bitcoin market cap larger. And with that, the price is going to increase and more people will FOMO in. So here's another company on the list which is growing now actually very fast in this year, 2020. And the third news is going to be about the NFTs. And here's actually a great website called juicynfts.com. And you can see always here the 24-hour volume in NFT. And this is actually getting more and more significant nowadays. You can see here the places you can get these NFTs and what's the volume in the last 24 hours. Rarible, it's right now leading and actually probably is the biggest with 120,665 US dollar. And when we go actually here, and this is here Rarible, you can see what kind of NFTs you can get. You can check by categories like art, domains, DeFi, and so on and so forth. And this is actually all. And you can see all different kind of NFTs. And the whole point is here to owning it. So, it's not, many people I know think that, well, okay, this is just like a digital picture and I just make a screenshot of it and I have it and that's it. But we do know that it's not about the real ownership. Now why people FOMO in is that they have it recorded on the blockchain and then this is there and they can prove it. So other people can have a copy, but the real one, that's what they own. And therefore, people started to make more and more NFTs and uploading it because now is the time actually get into this. Now you can make your own NFT and upload it. And if some people think, oh, wow, it's so great, I'm going to buy it, then they're going to buy it. So this is a way to make money. And of course, this is also a way to invest because probably if you can come up with NFTs which are very cool or it's going to be very rare, then those NFTs value can increase in the future. And maybe if you would like to sell them after you bought it now, then you can make profit with it. So it's either investment and even, just kind of join the game and also join the new trend. So this kind of NFT hype, which is going on right now, it's actually crazy. And there are all kind of things. Let's check out. We have art, all kind of art. I'm loving it. And just free your mind, and then you will see how you can collect these kind of NFTs. So I have talked about these NFTs a couple of weeks ago in great detail in a video. But now I just want to update you. And if you're really interested in these NFTs, then you should check out these guys here. And also that here on Juicy NFTs, which is juicynfts.com, simple as that, you can always see the daily volume. And this is actually changing. It's quite volatile, as you can see. But sometimes it's, this is minus 41%. So sometimes it was actually $500,000. And actually, this is not bad. And this number is just increasing day by day. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then smash the like button. I highly appreciate it. And if you would like to stay up to date in blockchain and cryptocurrency, you should definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom. And then we're going to keep you up to date with the daily videos, because between Monday and Friday, so on every weekday, you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news from us. You can educate yourself. You know, the links for the courses are down under this video. We have a totally free course. You know, just download it and check out how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. A lot of safety steps, and there is a nice, very detailed course to get the full picture, really understand blockchain and Bitcoin. It's also down here. Check out the link. And tomorrow, of course, I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news with the new videos. So see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.